Hey folks, the other day, there Friday evening I think it was, so I changed the memory battery in my KENWOOD TS-440 because when you first turn the radio on, she has a garbled display, and the only way to reset it is press your A B button while you turn the radio on. So this video I'm going to show you the garbled display, and maybe some of you people out there, maybe someone out there might have the same problem, or had the same problem, had it repaired. So any ideas, suggestions on how to actually fix this problem, put it in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you. So without further ado, let's turn power supply on, which is the KENWOOD TS-440. Then we're going to turn the radio on, and you'll see the display going all crazy, and she'll beep. So here we go. So it's almost like she's got a button stuck, sort of. And pressing any button on the front of the radio does nothing. Turn the radio off again, turn it back on, same thing. So the only way to fix it is press A, B, turn the radio on, turn off radio again, and she's fine. So, any of you out there have this problem, let me know. If you know a fix for this, let me know. The memory backup battery is not causing that. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, folks. All the best.